Okay. Okay, now it is a running mode, right? First of all, we can create a one login screen. Here is the login information, right? Login, username, password, and colon, and to our text box, right? Here for field set is the one of the tag, right? Legend means, right? Legend means that information is here, right? This information is so is here, that means it is a legend, right? This is the all all field set, right? Inside the field set we can create a one table, right? Go to insert menu and put row and column, right? Then you can write username, password. If you want to align, right, then you can align through this justify, right, justify, center, left, and justify, right? And if you want to give the color red, so you can go to tool menu and select this option, right? And add or remove four color means text color. Then select a and give the text, right? Here is the blue color. If you want to change the color, you can go to this, right, portion, right, for a brown color, right? So you can change. Now you can click button control, then you can uh, type some logic. So here is the if text box one, text box name dot text is equal to Ronak, and text box txt password. If you want to use text box and also, right, and also means first condition is wrong, then it is not checking another condition, that means it is a uh, and also operator, logical operator. Then label one dot text it equal to login successfully, label two dot text it means invalid, right? Now here is I want to change the mode of this text, right? So how to change the mode? Go to text box mode, right, and select password, right? Here is you can, right, type the password, right? That means it is the, there are a different type of mode is available in this text mode, right? Single line, multi-line, password, color, date time, local, email, month, number, range, right? Search, phone, time, url, week. That different type of mode are available. It is a rapid application environment, Visual Studio, so that's why that type of facility is available in, right? If you want to change some text box color, four color, background color, so back color is like blue, right? You can change, right? And four color, if you want to change the four color, right, you can click over here and it is a white, so that means it is a white, right? If you want to click to see, right, I can run. So student, are you visible this screen? Hello, Sadiq.
Yes,
हाँ.
sir.
Okay. Now login is created. Now say Ronak and password is 321, right? And okay, invalid username or password, right? Suppose error is in blue color. Error. Suppose our username and password is incorrect. So at that time, error text is error text color is red, so you can uh, do that thing yourself. It is your task, right? Now username and password is correct, then login successfully, right? Here I can change hello world, right? Here hello world, right? So this is the first program. If you want to change this, go to solution explorer and click over here set as start page, right? Now our login is hello world page is running, right? Set a start page. Whatever page you want to start, right? It is the initial page, right? From that page you can navigate anywhere. Here, change Ronak and click OK, right? Your name is Dr. Ronak, right? Why it is uh, consisting the value? Because of if not is post back, it is a one property of page class. So our uh, round first time it is not first time it goes on a server, then another time it is not change this value, right? Okay, so I will explain that thing in deep when I will explain the is post web concept, right? But right now this is the basic, right? And I can stop the recording, right? Please like, subscribe and comment. Okay, thank you. Okay, student, hello.